the dream that haunt me now converted into the reality. Spend my time with my mother, but my younger sister,
Yeah.
she didn't get that time to, after my mother death, the 1 year
Mm.
I don't know anything. I just lost that, when I was a child. So there was a dream that haunt me, that I saw that someone was taking my mother on a
Yeah.
pyre. You understand the pyre, the funeral pyre, the
Oh, I
wooden
don't.
where the dead body laid.
Ah, yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah,
So the dream was like that. Someone was taken the dead body of my
yeah,
mother. So that the dream that haunt me in my childhood.
yeah,
So, but I was a child over there, and I tried to stop that person who took
mm,
my mother,
yeah,
and but I never share this dream to anyone in my life, because I don't want to lose my mother. I was
yeah.
very attached to my mother. That's why I never share this dream to anyone. But
If you felt it was like almost like a premonition of like, I don't know, something's gonna happen. If I tell somebody, then it might happen. That kind of thing.
yeah, yes,
Yeah,
ma'am. It's like that, and but eventually, when in 2012 or 14, when I
yeah,
lost my mother, then I think that the dream that haunt me now converted into the reality.
yeah,
So at that time, I share with my bestie that this kind of dream that I
mm,
saw in my like
yeah,
that haunted me, and now
yeah.
it's true. Yes.
Ah, yeah, yeah. I mean, yeah, dreams is a whole other topic we can talk about sometime because I find dreams fascinating. But yeah, and how old were you when your mum passed away?
Uh, Ma'am, I have completed my post graduation. So at you can say I'm of 24, 25 years when I
Wow.
lost my mother.
Yeah. Oh wow. It's young.
Actually, I spend my time with my mother, but my younger sister,
Yeah.
she didn't get that time to spend with her mother, and because she was like 4 or 5 years girl when she
Oh
lost
wow.
her sister. Yeah.
Wow. So she was only little. Yeah.
Yes,
Wow.
ma'am.
Oh wow.
So
And I think I think whatever age you are, if you have a close relationship with your parents, it's
yes,
yeah,
ma'am. You can't bear that loss, and you can't
yeah,
imagine that
yeah,
situation,
yeah,
because when it happened to me, so you can say the 1 year that I after my mother death, the 1 year
mm,
I don't know anything. I just lost that. What is happened with me.
yeah,
So it's like that situation. I lost. You can say I get a very pessimistic person,
yeah,
so I didn't, felt any interest in anything. I
yeah,
just, yeah, I just going with the pace that might, you can say
yeah,
someday everything will be okay, but you can say the loss that I
yeah.
lost, the mother of the loss of my mother, that never be replaced. That never
No,
be.
no, of course, but a lot. I have a friend who the same thing. Her dad died the same cause when she was 24, 25, and which was only a couple of years ago. And yeah, she started off like really pessimistic, like she didn't want to talk to anybody or see anybody, but she's kind of only now starting to sort of come back out of it, you know?
Yes, ma'am. The time, heal all your pains, but
Yeah,
it you can say, but the loss you have in your heart, you never
yeah,
show
of
to anyone.
course.
But outside, you try to be very strong. That yes,
Yeah,
I can deal with any situation. But from the
yeah.
inner, you are very weak.
Yeah, well, I think you're very strong, and I think what you've been through is very difficult. So
Thank you.
we're running out of time, but thank you very much for telling me about that. And yeah, keep being strong. You are very strong, and I will
Yeah,
see you next
thank
time.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
bye
Bye
bye.
bye. Take
Bye
care.
bye.